Feel that knot in your shoulders? The phantom buzz in your pocket? The glow of a screen that never really leaves your eyes? You're not alone. Today, we're not quitting technology. We're teaching your brain to breathe again, right in the middle of a hyper-connected life. Brain fog test. Can't finish a paragraph without checking a feed? Mood red flag, shorter fuse, background anxiety. That's continuous partial attention taxing your nervous system. Sleep sabotage, blue light scroll before bed leads to a melatonin drop, and yeah, shallow rest. Why it matters: chronic overload means burnout, weak focus, and shallow relationships. Naming the toll is step 1. Digital sunset. Pick a hard cutoff, 9 p.m. Devices docked outside the bedroom. Trade scrolling for a book, a stretch, or real conversation. 60-second reset. Stop, slow inhale, long exhale. Name 3 sounds and 3 sensations. Instant pattern interrupt for a racing mind. Tech-free zones, dinner table and bedroom. Phones face down exile equals deeper connection and honestly, better sleep architecture. Okay, so first up, spot your triggers. Just open your screen time stats and circle your top 3 energy drain apps. Then, kill their notifications and, bury those icons deep in a folder. Next, it's time for an airplane mode hour. Actually calendar a daily 60-minute deep work block. Phone goes offline and your mind, well, it regains that single-task superpower. And then, try digital sabbaths. Start with a half day and then work up to a full 24-hour unplug session. Fill that time with walks, markets, hobby projects, really anything that's sensory and yes, screen-free. Hands-on hobbies like gardening, guitar painting, or cooking, they ground your senses and help retrain your attention. Upgrade to in-person. Turn a text thread into an actual coffee meetup. And hey, try the phones in the center game. The first one to reach for their phone pays the bill. There's also real power in boredom. Resist that reflex to scroll when you're in a queue. An idle mind is actually an incubator for creative insight and self-reflection. So here's your boundary blueprint. Add something like replies during work hours only to your email signature. And schedule send those late-night drafts so they go out the next day. Now use tech against tech. Set app timers to cap your doom scrolling. Flip your phone to grayscale. Suddenly those dopamine colors vanish and honestly, cravings drop. Remember, it's practice, not perfection. Slip-ups are gonna happen. The real victory is noticing and choosing again. Self-compassion keeps the habit loop gentle and sustainable. Your devices aren't the enemy, they're just tools. So, starting tonight, set your digital sunset, schedule tomorrow's airplane mode hour, and really taste that first breath of quiet clarity. Share this roadmap with a friend and compare notes next week. You deserve a mind that's present, rested, and fully alive, online and off.